Hello, traders. I have two indicators that we'll be using together for scalping trades. Each time frame has its own settings to ensure our entries and exits are well timed. Let's start with the 1-minute time frame. In the search box, we will look for the first indicator, trend lines with break. We will change the settings by clicking on Inputs. Set the Swing Detection Lookback to 10 next. We will search for the trend meter indicator. Change the settings as follows. Trend bar 1. Fast 4. Slow 7. Trend bar 2. Fast 13, slow 33. First, let's understand how the indicators work. The indicator draws trend lines based on specific pivot points, such as highs or lows, and shows breakouts that occur across these lines. When the trend line breaks to the upside, we will buy. Our trend meter indicator has 5 lines, each with its own specific property. To trade with this indicator, we need to combine two signals together. Our first signal will appear when the price breaks the trend line as the candle closes. On the downside, we need all these lines to be red at the same time. For a buy signal, the indicator will show a trend line break with the lines turning green. We will buy, and the stop loss will be set at the nearest low. How do I determine a high probability trade? As you can see in the sell setup, the lower indicator changes color before providing a sell signal in the main indicator. In the buy setup, as you can see, the lines changed color, but the lower one took longer to change. This indicates that the trend is somewhat weak because traders who took short positions are still inclined to sell. Trades you should avoid are like this one. The trade gave a false signal when the price went up. The lower lines did not change all green. This line is still in a downtrend. Let's see how we will trade. We have a potential sell trade here. However, the indicator isn't fully supporting the sell signal because not all lines have turned red. This suggests that the market might not be fully committed to a downward trend, so we should be cautious before entering this trade. Now, looking at this buy trade, the situation is different. The price has broken through the trend line and the candle has closed above it. The indicator confirmed the buy signal by changing all its colors. The earlier the colors change before the trend line is broken, the higher the probability of a successful trade. This is a strong buy signal. We set the stop loss and take profit at a 1.2 ratio, with the stop loss placed at the nearest bottom. This strategy helps manage risk effectively. I have a potential sell trade, but there's no agreement in the second indicator, so we will avoid this trade. It's crucial to have confirmation from multiple indicator before entering a trade. Now looking at this buy trade, there is agreement in the colors, which is what I explained earlier. When I see agreement in the colors, before the first indicator gives me the entry signal, it means this trade has a higher probability of success. This buy trade is better than the previous one due to the strong confirmation. I have a potential sell trade, but there is no agreement with the second indicator. This lack of confirmation means we should avoid this trade. We must choose our trades carefully and pick the right time to trade, especially during the market opening sessions, when volatility and opportunities are often higher. We have a buy signal with agreement from the second indicator. With this confirmation, we'll place the stop loss and set the take profit here. In this strategy, discipline is key. We must adhere to our trading plan, Avoid emotional decisions and ensure that each trade is executed with the proper risk management in place. If you like the strategy, I'll show you how to use it across different time frames in another video. In this video, I explain the strategy using the 1-minute time frame. Each time frame has its own settings, whether you want to scalp, take a medium-term trade, or hold long-term. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to use this strategy. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.